I'm Jennifer Reese, and I am the mother of a son who was diagnosed with Chiari 4 years ago. It was a very heart-wrenching, gut-wrenching diagnosis. We went on a medical rodeo for 6 months to find a doctor who could guide us and help us and direct us. And it was after that doctor who worked with us that I said, we've got to make it known about this disorder. So I took that frustration, rallied around with a whole bunch of other moms in my community, and here we are at the 4th annual Unite4answers. And we grew from 60 people at our first event to 135 today.
I'm Dorothy Poppy, and I'm from the Bobby Jones Chiari and Syringomyelia Foundation, and I'm the CEO of the organization. I came to the Bobby Jones Foundation because my son was diagnosed with Chiari and Syringomyelia, so I'm one of the actual founders of the foundation. I think the misconceptions with Chiari and Syringomyelia is that we don't have great evidence. The papers in the United States are not all A-grade papers, and what we're trying to do is make sure the evidence that is now being put into these research papers will be good evidence and reliable for our patients.
My name is Parker Reese. I have gone through Chiari. I failed the scoliosis test, and that led to an MRI. Then I received the diagnosis of Chiari malformation, and it led to me going through this whole process of receiving countless MRIs and multiple specialists, hearing different opinions, and I had no idea what to think because some were saying, you know, you'll move on from it, and others were saying I'll end up in a wheelchair. Raising awareness is important because it allows you to create difference in the lives of those who need that difference and prevents people from completely disregarding this as something that may not be important.
My name is Tina Fierce, and my daughter 2.5 years ago was diagnosed with Chiari malformation, and nobody that I knew of had even heard of it. There's so many families who are impacted by it. Many don't even know that they have it. We want to raise awareness to help educate the community as well as physicians.
The thing that I'm excited about is seeing the work that is being done with clinicians and researchers across the globe to try to help understand what is the right protocol for diagnosing, as well as recommended treatment methods to really improve the patient outcome.
The Bobby Jones Foundation is special because of the passion behind everyone involved in it.
The Bobby Jones Foundation, it means a hope, a light. It means awareness.
This organization to me brings hope, and it builds community for those who don't have hope. They can come right here to this organization, and they can have people stand beside you and say, I get it, I've been there, and I'm here to guide you and help you. There is no cure for Chiari, but there is hope, and there is support, and there is a future ahead of doctors who are going to get to the bottom of this.
When somebody contributes to the organization, they are playing a pivotal part in supporting the research and in the education that's really changing healthcare today and how clinicians and physicians are treating these patients and giving them hope.